Welcome to a quick introduction in controlling the complexity of an API. In this video, we are going to continue building our graphics editor and learn more about API design. Our function will act on the API as a whole, in this case, the whole drawing, rather than individual components such as the shapes. This is an important design concept. The most frequent reason why software projects fail is that their complexity gets out of hand. Imagine that we have completed coding our graphics editor, and now we want to equip it with a graphical user interface, or GUI. A drawing can easily consist of 10 or 20 shapes. It would be extremely inefficient for the GUI to communicate with all of them individually. To keep software complexity low, the GUI should only communicate with the main drawing. Let's continue building functions which act on the whole drawing. So far, we have three basic whole drawing functions. New drawing, to create a new empty drawing. Add shape, to add a shape to a drawing, and draw, to display a drawing. Once the drawing has been created, we may want to revise it. For example, we may need an easy way to change the color of shapes. We could write a function setShapeColor that for a shape S sets the color to new color, but that would require calling each shape individually. Instead, we will create a function that acts on the whole drawing. This function will access the drawing D, find the shape whose label matches shape label, change its color to new color, and if there are multiple shapes with this label, the flag first only will decide whether only the first one or all of them will be altered. Let's demonstrate this function using our steam engine drawing. The shapes in this drawing have the following labels: W for wheels, G for grill, and B for body. The drawing itself is stored in a global variable SE. Recall that a drawing is a list of shapes where each shape is a 6-item list in the form of X array, Y array, label, color, line width, and fill. We will use our new function to color the first wheel gray, reset that wheel to its original color cyan, then color all the wheels gray. The function setShapeColor parses the drawing D one shape at a time. When it finds the shape that matches the label, it will check the first only flag. The break statement is used to break out of the for loop if the Boolean first only is the same as true. Notice that we did not need to declare first only as false, since this is its default state. You can see that in our variables window, the setShapeColor function worked on the entire drawing, or list of lists. First only parsed either the first shape identified as W, or all shape lists identified as W. Do you see the benefits of working with a list of lists? As you continue your journey in program design, think about when your function should act on the whole API and when they need to work on specific components. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.